Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your currency on Kraken application. To change your display currency on Kraken, first of all, open up the Kraken app on your mobile device and then log into your account. After you're inside the home page of Kraken, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. This will open up the account tab, from where you'll need to tap on Preferences. Inside Preferences, tap on Currency. From the list of currency options, select the currency you'd like Kraken to show your balances and trading pairs in. After you choose the currency, you can get back to the home page. The interface will now update to reflect your new currency preference. And that's it. You've successfully changed your display currency on Kraken. This adjustment helps make portfolio tracking easier in your local or preferred currency. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.